Good morning, guys. It's already February 3 today. I'm trying to harvest the ginger that I planted 7 months ago. So here I am. I'm trying to harvest the ginger that I have planted. Here they are. I harvested some of it already a while back. But I will harvest now more of my plants. These are already matured, so I have to harvest them because they will be rotten if I will not harvest my ginger plants. Here they are. I will start harvesting my ginger plants. Here they are. Oh, I don't know how to start this. Here are my ginger plants. I will start harvesting. It's already 7 months old. That's why I need to harvest them because it's already 7 months old. Here. They get rotten if I will just leave them for a longer time. It's now 7 months, so I need to harvest today. I will give some to my neighbors. I don't need to sell it, but I will just give them some because I cannot use it all for cooking. But this is too much. I share it to my neighbors, and I will I will plant back these tiny ones. But here are the ones that I harvested. I need to replant again here, not to waste time, because if I will replant again today, I will harvest it in 6 to 7 months later. It's fun planting and then having to harvest them later. And now I'm harvesting now today because they are already matured. They need to be harvested today because it will be they will be rotten when the rain comes. I have to throw this because it's very hard to pull it out. There you go. These are my matured ginger. They are so fresh. Here is more. I will replant after I harvest all this. I will replant them. I will replant some. I mean, it is fun doing all this. I love doing this. There is more. These are the native one. This is not the big ginger, because this is the native one. These are stronger. It has a stronger aroma, so they are a little bit smaller. But I have the big one there. They are not matured yet in my other pots. These are the ones that are matured. The big varieties are not matured yet. So I am harvesting this native. They call this native because they are smaller, but they are stronger in with the aroma is stronger. There you go. Oh, this is not matured yet. That's why I cannot harvest it. These are the leaves of the old one. There is my harvested ginger. They are matured already. I will wash them later. I have to look for I have to get the other one there. I have to get more of the one in pots. Box garden. This is the big one. These are the big ginger. They are so robust. These are the big one. I cannot harvest yet because they are not matured yet. But these are the big one. More over here. There. I have more here. are the big one. I cannot harvest it because they are still not matured. And these are my favorite vegetables. We call this moringa, malunggay in Philippines, but this is the moringa. I always try to have it every day because it helps me get my sleep. I just boil it or add with any other kind of soup. It's the moringa, malunggay in Philippines. I will I will harvest some and cook. You can add this with egg, just the leaves. It always helps me get my sleep better because I have insomnia. So I have those moringa plants so I can cook anytime if I want to. I have more I have more here in my backyard. Here I got more of these plants. Moringa. I have more of this. Yeah, I'm happy to have more of this because I really need this for my health. This is good. It makes you stronger. Especially I'm a colon cancer survivor at my age 69. I always try to eat this every day. I mix with soup or omelette, egg omelette, or any beans, dried beans. I boil the dried beans and boil and add this moringa. It's very helpful to my health. I'm always happy when I eat this because it makes me stronger. Like I said, I'm a colon cancer survivor and I'm 69 years old. And this is the plant. We call this those with high sugar. I have this kind of plant. Those with diabetes. I got this from my sister. She just eat this raw, but others boil it. I don't know how to call this. I forgot. This is good for those with high sugar. Those with diabetes. I forgot the name of this plant. But I have this. It's so robust and it's almost my size. And this kind of plant too, with this kind of vegetable, it tastes good. I don't know the name of this. They call it in Philippines pansitan. But this is a kind of vegetable that is also good for the health, especially those with high blood. I don't know what to call this. That they call that in pansitan in Philippines. And there is my tiny papaya. It's just growing. So I will go and wash the ginger that I harvested. I will wash them so I will share to my neighbors. These are the ones that I just washed a while back. It looks clean because I just washed them a while back. These are the ones that I already washed. Looks clean. It looks clean. And these are the ones that I did not wash yet. So dirty. So putting aside this one that I just washed a while back. These are the clean ginger that I harvested yesterday. And I continue harvesting today. This is the one I harvested today. They are not clean yet. So I have to wash it to make it clean. I will give more to my neighbors because I cannot use it all here at home. I better share it instead of getting rotten here. But these are the one that's clean. Okay. I'm still waiting for my grandson. He has classes today. So while waiting for my grandson, I harvested this ginger. And now I will wash it. Now I'm gonna wash it. So it will be clean. There, I will wash it now. It's fun. It's fun planting, and I will replant. Oh no, sorry. I will replant later when I finish washing all this. I will go back there outside and plant more again so I can harvest in after 6 months again. There you go. This is clean already. I am here in my backyard. Doing this is fun to make my day. I'm always on YouTube watching sometimes those casino players. Sometimes I watch because I'm bored. So I watch sometimes. Here it's clean. What about you guys? Do you plant in your house, in your backyard? I keep trying to plant when I feel like doing, so it makes my day. It is good to be busy. Like I said, I don't cook a lot because we buy food out, cook food. I alternate my schedule my routine during the day. Just have breakfast, watching TV, go out and water my plants sometimes. During the day, I have to go and I have to go and water my bougainvillea flowers. There, it's clean. And my other neighbor just passed by, and I told her I will give her later because I'm still washing them. I need to wash all this before I give it to my neighbor. There you go, the wash one. There. I will close this because it's too bright. While doing this wash, the day will go by while doing all these things. Because my eyes gets tired if I'm on TV the whole day. So I alternate my schedule for watching TV and doing some gardening, doing gardening. And tomorrow I will go for grocery again. It's my schedule for grocery. I will go alone. I will have my breakfast maybe outside. Then after breakfast, I will go for window shopping or maybe buy something before I go for my grocery. Mostly I go out alone because my daughter is in the office and my grandchildren are in school. My son-in-law is out with them too while and waiting for them before they go home. He waits for them. Sometimes he comes home. If he wants to cook something, he comes home and then goes back. It's fun though being a senior citizen. Like I said, I'm 69 years old. So sometimes I go out alone to have coffee or lunch at the mall, at SM or at Robinson. Sometimes my daughter comes along with me during the weekend. But most every day I'm home. Wow, I have all these. They're already clean. After doing this, I will go and have my breakfast. I did not have breakfast yet. Because I'm excited to harvest this ginger. I will go and prepare my coffee. I did not finish yet washing because I'm getting hungry, so I better have my breakfast first. Then I will come back and continue. I will come back to continue the washing of this ginger. I must go inside and have my... Oh, I need to boil water first. Need to boil water first for my coffee. As a senior, it's always fun to do something, make yourself busy, and it's some kind of an exercise too if we make ourselves busy. Need to boil water for my coffee. There you go. Need to boil water for my coffee. Need to prepare my coffee. I'm now here in the kitchen, inside. Oh, I will have Milo today. I try to avoid coffee today because of my blood pressure. So I will just have Milo first today. I have coffee alternate, but not every day. There you go. Oh, I need to have bread. I'm glad I still have bread. My son-in-law have bought yesterday. Still have cheese for breakfast. We have something. Oh, I still have banana for breakfast. Just waiting for the water to boil. I will add a little bit of coffee just to have a flavor. I just put 1/4 of it. This is 1/4. So it will not be very strong for me because I'm not allowed to have strong coffee. I just put 1/4 spoon. Now I have to go out and wait for the water to boil. Life is fun at 69. There's so much fun in life. My daughter is in the office, so I'm just all alone here at home. waiting for the water to boil. I can have my breakfast. There you go. Now, these are again my ginger. There are my bougainvillea. Oh, these are my bonsai bougainvilleas. It's one of my bonsai bougainvillea. This one is in bloom. It's in bloom now. This is one of my bonsai bougainvillea. It has flower now today. It bloomed today. Looks so beautiful, the flowers. I will sell this for 3,000. I have a buyer. There's another one, but it did not bloom yet. One of my aunt called me and she wants to buy my bougainvillea. She likes the price 3,000. Should be 3,005, but I sold it to her for 3,000 pesos. Here are some of our plants, still waiting for them to grow. Okay, I'm going back for my coffee. Oh, not yet. There's still one papaya left. I may cook this later. And it's from my backyard. Come on, boil water. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I will get my sandwich get ready. I will prepare my sandwich too. There, I will prepare my sandwich. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm feeling better today. No more my colds. I had cold for 2 weeks. That's why I've been home on bed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.